How to make money online for free from cryptocurrencies. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. Hi guys, the site I want to introduce to you, firefaucet.win. You can earn money online in different digital currencies on this site. It is very easy to earn money online on this site, and you can earn money online with just a few clicks. The important feature of this site are supports 12 cryptocurrencies, lots of ways to earn, direct payments to your wallet, level bonuses, daily rank rewards, daily achievements, and much more features. Registration is very easy. Just fill out a simple form and then you can start making money online. The website dashboard may seem a bit complicated, but it is not at all. Here you can see your points that you can convert into digital currencies. You can also get daily rewards. The token of this site is called ACP. As I said, you can convert to digital currencies. That's what we do here. But to earn money, you can earn money from such methods. For example, short links, surveys, facet, offer wall, tasks, PTC, and auto facet. You can also earn money through your referral link. You can see and receive your earning in your wallet section. All in all, it is one of the very good sites where you can earn good money. This site is currently active, and as I said before, you cannot become a millionaire with these sites, but you can cover part of your current living expenses. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.